We guide you through how to turn off sensitive content on Instagram so you can stop seeing posts that Instagram labels as sensitive or disturbing. First thing you need to do is to open Instagram app on your phone and go to your profile by tapping your profile icon in the bottom right. Next, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap Content Preferences. Then, look for Sensitive Content Control. Tap on it and you'll see different options like More, Standard, and Less. To turn off as much sensitive content as possible, select Less, which tells Instagram to reduce posts that may contain violence, adult themes, or disturbing imagery. After choosing Less, go back to the previous screen and make sure your settings are saved automatically. You can also help improve this by tapping Not Interested on posts you don't want to see, which trains Instagram's algorithm to avoid showing similar content. Once you complete these steps, your feed, explore page, and reels will display cleaner, safer content with fewer sensitive posts.